Taking CT, Principles of Manufacturing, in middle school gives you a working knowledge of machinery, tools. I like to get my kids prepared to learn to think. It teaches them to think and problem solve, working with their hands, using real life mathematics, so that when they go into the workforce, they're actually able to look at a problem, come up with a working solution, and tackle that problem.
The good thing about taking it now in middle school is they get an idea of what they like and what they don't like. So once they get into that high school, starting to choose a pathway, it kind of helps direct everything. And a lot of them, basically, this is what sparked it. But once a little spark interest ignited here in middle school, they choose a career and they stick with it. And I think that's what the biggest benefit is. You know, it gives them some pathway.
What I really enjoy most about this class is being able to work on the machines and making like cool things like CO2 cars and LED nameplates. I've learned how to use a bandsaw and drill into pin blanks to make a pin.
I hope to extend my abilities of building because I really do enjoy it, and I really like building and I like working with certain materials, tools, metals. I really enjoy all of it.
No matter what, even if you're not interested, you'll still get something out of it. At least you'll get to try. It shows them that you don't just learn something and that's it. You can build on that. I think that's probably why I would always recommend it.